Connecting, recording. Hi everyone, thank you for joining our webinar. My name is Israel. Our company is Cendien. We are a consulting firm and we help clients with numbers and business intelligence. And today we are doing a senior consultant. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the features, functionality of Tableau, and it shows the opportunities that you have to use the package to see the data visualizations that it offers. As a very senior consultant, he's has extensive knowledge in reports and facts attributes. He's with and to him, and what we will do is cover the Tableau software package. We opened a webinar for questions and answer at the end. The webinar is scheduled for about 30 minutes, so I'll try to be as much as we can help address some of the question about the things that they can do. As he's covering the software, and you can take but we'll again. So after that, I'm going to turn it over to Ramana. He's going to start. Go ahead. It's all yours.
Hi everyone. As Israel told, my name is Ramana. I work as a BI consultant, and today I'm going to give a brief overview of the Tableau, which is one of the top. It is performing as a top BI tool across like various industries or various of the customers who want to make easy and make fast decisions by developing their ad hoc based solutions for their business needs. And Tableau gives a lot of data visualizations, and as per Gartner 2017 Magic Quadrant, it stands as a leader compared to others, and almost like consecutively top in the leader segments from the top 5 years. It started somewhere in the year 1990s, and in that process it got evolved. Now it is performing the leader from the last 5 years. And why Tableau is different compared to other BI tools is it is in-memory technology, as well as the SQL, which is like a proprietary SQL where it converts the SQL information of data into an visualizations where we can use the data in an effective way compared to the regular BI tools or any other competitors which are available in the market. Why it is has become a leader is because of its connectivity to connect to various BI tools, and it connect to allow anyone to connect to data, visualize and create interactive as well as share dashboards in a few clicks. And as I mentioned, it is a self-service. It is very easy to use and easy to learn for even the people with less technical expertise, and it can create dashboards. And the various types of products it has is like Tableau Desktop, where you create workbooks. The dashboard is called as a workbook, where you can package it and publish it to the server to make it online to any user with read-only access. And Tableau Server is where it has a portal where the workbook is placed and does not require desktop to convey information. It is just like a browser, like a zero footprint, and it can be accessed to a browser. And there is a reader as well, which is like a free version where you can read Tableau workbooks. And there is a Tableau Online also, which is where Tableau Corporation hold publish on there, like on a cloud based your Tableau content, so that you can plug in and play your information in a secured way. how it can be various databases or databases, like few of them. It means like it can connect to Amazon Aurora or Amazon EMR, Redshift, Cloudera, Oracle, DB2, Salesforce, SQL Server, like bunch of them, Google Analytics. You can connect to any type of, like most of the data sources are supported, even it can connect to a simple text file or even Excel file. That
It can it Yeah, it can also connect to some of your ERP applications, so we can connect directly to the ERP
yes,
application and pull the data from there. And we only need read-only access.
correct. Not only ERP, it even connect to CRM applications like Salesforce as well. And when it comes to the data sources, like for example, you can create your own committee and create an extract where Tableau database engine, it creates a local where if the database is performing very slowly, you can always go ahead and create an extract which acts as a local copy, provided you have enough server space to hold that extract, so that you can without connecting to the database, you can still play you can consume your data when where cases the database is very slow and which has like high sections or lot of traffic is going on, where uh, it is not supposed to connect to like OLTP systems, where most of the resources are fighting for the database. In the extract will be very useful. And the database is like an data warehouse where a lot of aggregated data is stored. You can still connect with live, and you can refresh it based on the periodically by setting the periodic refresh as well, maybe like early or 12 hours, or maybe like within 24 hours once also. And you can even join the multiple tables, and it supports the lot of joins in the database elements, for example tables, and it supports even the joins between two different extracts as well. And this is how a simple dashboard looks, where here, for example, this is single view. It is shown as by category, by cause, by month, and there is a by side, by trend, and various ways the data is presented, like a line graph or a bar graph or like uh, a stacked bar graph. And even you can filter out data based on the filters options that are available in the Tableau.
And one of the nice functionality and features of Tableau is that it allows you to have very rich data visualization, and you can change it quickly. So if you say you want a bar, you can do that very quickly. It allows you to have different types of data visualization within one dashboard.
So you can combine all the sheets and make it as a single dashboard. And the publishing part I will talk at the end, where how it can be published. And this is how a Tableau workspace look like. It has like the data view is there, and there is a measure view, like what the metrics that are used for calculations that comes under like measures, and there is a dimensions, and you can create hierarchies for dimensions as well, and there is a toolbar, it is a worksheet. These are the various workspace elements to design your workbook. And Tableau holds a repository, like where your metadata information is stored, where your source information and what are the various data elements you are connecting. Entire metadata information is stored in a Tableau repository. This is when it talks about the joins, like various type of joins you can combine. It supports various type of joins like inner, outer. And you want to filter your source before you pull it into your Tableau. You can. It also gives an option called filter out before you. For example, it is connecting to an Excel data source, for example Superstore, but you are able to filter it. You can filter like maybe limit it to number of years, maybe like instead of going for 10 years, you can limit it to last 5 years, or maybe you can